We're so happy you're here!
Let's have some fun and learn together.
Ready? Let's go!
Welcome to Venice, Italy. We are floating on the water. This is a canal. In this city, there are no cars. There are no buses. There are only boats. We are riding in a special boat called a gondola. It is long, black, and narrow.
Look at the buildings, Ben. They go right down into the water. The water is green and calm. Splash, splash. That is the sound of the oar hitting the water. The gondolier is the man steering our boat. He is wearing a striped shirt. He is very strong.
We are passing under a bridge. People are waving at us from the top. Ciao! That means hello in Italian. It feels like we are in a movie. But we are here for a special reason. We are here for the carnival.
We cannot go to the festival without a costume. We need to find a disguise. Let's go into this little shop. Wow, look at the walls. There are hundreds of masks. Some are scary, some are beautiful.
Look at this one. It has a very long nose. It looks like a bird. Do I look mysterious or do I look funny? This one is made of leather. It feels smooth and cool.
I found the perfect one. It is a half mask. It only covers my eyes. It is white with gold glitter, and it has a big purple feather on the side. Let's buy these. Now we are ready to join the party.
We are walking into the main square. This is St. Mark's Square. It is huge. And look at the people. Everyone is wearing a costume. I see kings and queens. I see jokers and clowns. The costumes are made of heavy velvet and silk.
It is like traveling back in time. Look at that person over there. They are dressed like the sun. They are completely gold. They are standing very still like a statue. Let's take a photo with them. Excuse me, can we take a photo?
Click. That is a great photo. The sky is turning pink and orange. The sun is setting. The lights in the square are turning on. It is magical.
I love this tradition. For one day, you can be anyone you want to be. You can hide behind a mask, but I'm glad I am here with you, Ben. Even with a mask, I know it is you. Let's go find some Italian pizza.
Finally, we are sitting down. My feet are so tired from walking, but my stomach is very happy. We found a trattoria. That is a small, casual Italian restaurant. It smells like garlic and toasted bread. And here is the main event, the pizza.
It looks amazing, Ben. The crust is thin and burnt on the edges. Look at that mozzarella cheese. Pull a slice. Wow, the cheese is stretching. It is a long white string of cheese. Be careful, it is piping hot. Blow, blow.
Crunch! It is delicious. The tomato sauce is sweet. But you ordered something different, Anna. What is that dessert?
This is tiramisu. It is a famous Italian cake. It is made with coffee, cocoa powder, and sweet cream. It is very soft. You don't even need to chew it. It melts in your mouth. We need energy because we have one more boat ride to take.
We are back on a boat, but we are leaving the main city. We are going to an island called Murano. This island is famous for glass blowing. We are entering a factory. It is very hot in here. Can you feel the heat, Anna?
Yes, it is like an oven. Look at the furnace. That is the big fire in the wall. The glass master is holding a long metal pipe. He puts the pipe into the fire. When he pulls it out, there is a glowing orange ball. It looks like lava.
Watch closely. He is blowing into the pipe. Huff, huff. The orange ball is getting bigger. He's spinning it. He's using metal tools to shape it. He's making a horse. Look at the legs. Look at the tail. It happens so fast.
A minute ago, it was just the blob of hot liquid. Now it is a beautiful crystal horse. It is magic. I want to buy a souvenir. I will buy this small blue glass necklace. It reminds me of the water in Venice.
It is late now. The city is quiet. The tourists have gone to sleep. We are walking home under the moon. Look up there, Anna. Do you see that white bridge high up in the air? That is the Bridge of Sighs.
It is a beautiful name, but it has a sad story. Long ago, prisoners walked across that bridge to go to jail. They looked out the tiny windows. They sighed because it was their last view of beautiful Venice. Sigh. But tonight, it is not sad. It is peaceful.
The water is black like ink. The street lamps are reflecting on the canal. It is the perfect end to our trip. We saw the carnival, we ate the best food, and we saw the glass magic. Are you ready to go home, Anna?
Yes, my eyes are closing. Good night, Venice, and good night, everyone. See you in the next adventure.
Buongiorno. That means good morning. It is a new day in Venice. Listen to the noise in here. Clink, clank, hiss. That is the sound of cups hitting the saucers. We need energy for our trip, so we are doing as the locals do. We are having breakfast standing up.
My legs are ready, but my stomach needs food. I am eating a cornetto. It looks like a croissant, but it is sweeter. Look at the inside. It is filled with vanilla cream. It is warm and flaky. And I have my cappuccino. But Ben, you ordered something very small.
This is an espresso. It is just one shot of very strong coffee. In Italy, you drink it quickly. Gulp! Whoa, that wakes you up. Okay, wipe the crumbs off your face, Anna. We have to catch the bus, but not a normal bus. We are walking to the dock. We bought our tickets. This is the Vaporetto. It is a water bus. It is very crowded today. Let's stand outside on the deck. Hold on to the railing, Anna.
It is very windy out here. Whoosh! My hair is flying everywhere. The boat is moving fast. Look at the water. It is churning up white foam. I can taste the salt in the air. Look over there, Ben. On the horizon. Do you see those colors?
I see it. It looks like a rainbow floating on the water. That is our destination, the island of Burano. The boat is slowing down. Bump! We have arrived.
Oh my goodness, it is even brighter than I imagined. Every house is a different color. Pink, lime green, sky blue, and bright yellow. It feels like we are inside a cartoon. Ben, look at that window on the blue house.
There is a fat orange cat sleeping there. He matches the flowers in the pot. Do stand next to him. I will take a picture. Click. Perfect. The blue wall makes the orange cat look very bright. This is a photographer's dream. We walked past the colorful houses. Now we're in a quiet square. Burano is famous for two things, colors and lace. Lace is a delicate fabric made of thread. Look at that woman sitting in the chair.
She is sewing by hand. Ciao, Signora. She is showing us a fan. It is made of white lace. Look at the pattern. It looks like tiny flowers and snowflakes. It must take weeks to make this.
It is very expensive, but it is true art. We should buy a small souvenir. Maybe this lace handkerchief for your mom? Okay, put it in your bag safely. The sun is high in the sky now. We have one last stop on our Italian adventure. Are you ready?
I am ready. Let's go.
It has been a long day. We are on the boat, going back to the main city. Look at the sky, Anna. It is golden hour. The sun is going down. The sky is orange, pink, and purple. The water looks like liquid gold.
I am so tired. My feet hurt from walking, but it is a good tired. We saw so many beautiful things today, but now I have only one thing on my mind: food. I am starving.
We found the perfect place, a tiny pizzeria by the water. It smells like wood smoke and toasted bread. And here it is, the pizza. It looks different than pizza at home. The crust is thin and bubbly. It was cooked in a real fire oven.
Look at the steam rising. It is very hot. Go ahead, Ben. Take a slice. Wow, look at the mozzarella. The cheese is stretching. It creates a long white string. Don't burn your mouth. Blow, blow.
Crunch. The tomato sauce is sweet. The basil leaf is fresh. It is simple, but it is delicious. This is the best meal of my life. I could eat 3 of these.
You cannot eat 3 pizzas, Ben. We need room for dessert. We're walking back to the hotel, but we made one stop: gelato. This is Italian ice cream. It's denser and creamier than normal ice cream. I chose strawberry. It's bright pink.
I chose dark chocolate. It is very rich. Let's make a toast. Touch your ice cream to mine. Cheers! To Venice, to the masks, and to the best pizza in the world. Lick. Ooh, brain freeze. It is cold.
The moon is high in the sky now. The city is going to sleep. Listen. Shh. You can hear the water lapping against the walls. It is so peaceful.
Thank you for joining us on this adventure. We hope you learned some new words, and we hope you are hungry now. Don't forget to practice your English every day.
Good night from Italy. Ciao. See you in the next video.